Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a rather interesting and potentially very useful accessory for trumpet players. This is a brass fitting and cleaning brush combo from WHAMVOX, designed specifically for trumpets. Right away, one notices the material. It's made from brass, described as first-class materials. The feel of it suggests good quality, with a nice texture and attention to detail. The description highlights its durability, saying it's wear-resistant and not easily damaged or deformed, which is exactly what one wants in a repair part or a frequently used accessory. It serves a couple of key purposes. Firstly, as a brass fitting, it's presented as a repair part, something one can use to replace an old or broken piece on a trumpet. This is crucial for maintaining an instrument's performance. Secondly, it includes a cleaning brush component, essential for keeping the inside of the trumpet clean, which is vital for sound quality and the longevity of the instrument. The fitting itself has a smooth surface, which is important for how it interacts with the instrument. The golden color gives it a classic look, fitting right in with most brass instruments. Using materials that are safe and durable is a big plus. The overall impression from the description is that this isn't just a generic part, but something made with care to provide a good experience for the trumpeter. Whether one needs to replace a worn part or just wants a reliable cleaning tool, this WHAMVOX accessory seems designed to be a useful addition to any trumpet player's kit. Maintaining a trumpet is key to its sound and lifespan. Residue buildup inside can affect intonation and valve action. A good cleaning brush like the one included here is indispensable for reaching those internal passages. And having a reliable brass fitting on hand means one is prepared for minor repairs, preventing small issues from becoming big problems that require professional help. The fact that it's made from quality brass means it should integrate well with the existing parts of a brass instrument. The description mentions that the details and texture contribute to a good experience. This suggests that the design isn't just functional, but also feels good to handle and use. For a musician, the tactile feel of their equipment is part of the overall playing experience. Knowing that the materials are first class and the construction is solid provides confidence in using this accessory regularly. It's presented as a useful supply for any trumpeter looking to keep their instrument in top condition.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.